Hello everyone. In this video, I will be talking about choosing a right web hosting company, and which is one of my favorite web hosting company to get you started with your online hosting requirements. As far as the concern regarding choosing the right hosting company, let me tell you that a right company for your website is very important. In case if you choose a wrong company for your web hosting requirement, your business website may be down for all the time. You can lose your data. There can be attacks on your website, many virus attacks. There can be so many unexpected issues, even your data can be lost. So which is why choosing a right hosting company for your website is very important. Now come to the part of, there are four types of web hosting company, web hosting types. Number one is shared hosting, second is reseller hosting, third is VPS hosting, and fourth is dedicated hosting. Dedicated hosting and VPS hosting is not for everyone. It is for advanced users. Even reseller is for those who are looking to have multiple accounts for different websites. I will recommend you to go with the shared hosting. Shared hosting is actually the type of hosting where you share a server with other people around the world, because you do not need a full server or a full resource to host your website. Now I'm going to recommend you one of the finest hosting company which I have been using from the last 2 years, and based on a personal experience, I recommend everyone to buy Hostinger. Now in case if you click on the link in the description, not only you will get a special discount to offer, but I will also be paid for that. Now in this video I will be discussing about some of the features of the Hostinger, why you should opt for the Hostinger, what are the pros of the Hostingers, what are the cons of the Hostinger, should you opt for it or not. So without wasting any time, let's start, and make sure to watch the video till the end, because in the end I will be sharing with you an amazing coupon code which can give you a best deal on Hostinger. So let's get started with me without wasting any time. So here you go. So as I told you, there are four types of the hosting. So let's start with Hostinger features. Okay, what things I do like about Hostinger and why you should offer. So the first thing I like about Hostinger is it has 30 days money back guarantee. Yeah, other hosting companies also provide it, but because I've been using it and my experience so far is good, so you can buy with confidence, because there are two things. Number one, I'm recommending you. The second thing is it has 30 days money back guarantee. So for any issues, any bad things, you are entitled with a complete refund for all of the payment. But because my experience is very good, which is why I'm very confident that you won't feel any problem or issue while working with Hostinger. Now another thing I like about Hostinger has, you can see their reviews 4.6, 4.8, 4.5, 4.7. You know, very few companies are able to achieve such great reviews, such amazing reviews. Trust me, these are one of the finest ratings you can see for any hosting company around the globe. So which is my recommendation goes with Hostinger. You can see the reviews. Even if you open any website, for instance you open the Trustpilot, and you can see over there many 5-star reviews over there, many one recommending it. You can see Hostinger is the best. I really love. Also there can be all of the reviews, positives and negatives, but you can see majority of the reviews are for positive and people are recommending it. Okay, which is why, because I have been using it, so I can say with this. Now further features I like about them is, let me tell you, is that you can see that they have a malware scanner which scans for your website for viruses. They also provide Cloudflare protected name servers, which even protects your website from DDoS attacks. And then they have data centers all around the world. You can get your website hosted in USA, UK, France, India, Singapore, Brazil, Lithuania, and Netherlands. So you have ample of options to choose. And then you can see that they have hugely invested on providing maximized website speed. Even I, as a digital marketer, emphasizes that a second late is a second lost. So they have heavily worked on providing you fastest ever possible speed with their light speed web server technology, LSWS plus LA cache. You can see that your website response times gets reduced up to 3 times. Then they have a 24/7 support, and everyone has a 24/7 support. I already told you about DDoS attacks and malware scanners. They also provide you with automatic backups, and they have one of the best 99.9% uptime guarantee. And in case if you are coming from another hosting company, they also provide you with a free migration service from other hosting company to them. They have an automated tool, plus their support helps you to ensure that your website gets shifted to your new hosting company without any hassle or without any issues. You can see the reviews, and they have more than 1.5 million satisfied customers, talking for themselves. Now let's come to the next part, and that is about Hostinger pricing. In case if you look on their plans, they also have a VPS hosting. There are many types. Even for WordPress hosting, you can offer the web hosting, because in web hosting you can also host WordPress websites as well. Now, because you clicked on the link in the description, you are entitled to amazing discounts. You can see over here, you can see the discounts. Now they offer 3 plans: single web hosting, premium web hosting, business web hosting. And in the premium and business, you are getting 3 months free, and plus a free domain. You can see a free domain over here. Here you aren't getting a free domain, but the plan to cost you a lot less at 1.99 and saves you up to 80%. But you can offer any plan. In case if you do not need any further website, you can offer this plan. But the bad side is that you also get only a single email account, which I feel is slightly less. So which is why I recommend you to offer a premium web hosting or business. Here you can host multiple domains, as well as have an option of multiple email IDs plus a free domain as well. Now the premium and business web hosting, you get a differences: weekly backups and daily backups. All of the plans are free SSL. Now majority of the functions are now same almost everywhere. And then you get a 30 days money back guarantee, 24/7 support, 99.9% uptime guarantee, which makes them you ensure that it is one of the finest thing. Now let's come to the amazing part, and that is a Hostinger control panel. They have created their own control panel with the name of H panel. Now let me log into my account and then show you how their H panel looks alike. So just a second. Now here we are in their H panel, hosting control panel over here. You can see that over here. You can see the pro panel. You can see I can manage my hosting from over here, and I can manage my email IDs from over here. In case if I want to manage my email IDs, I can click over here, and in case if I want to manage my hosting, I can manage from here. I just have to click over here. Once if I click on that, you can see over here, okay, this is their regular H panel. Now you can see that it is showing me the summary. I can see my speed over here. They also recommended me to install their Lightspeed. They also recommended me to install SEO marketing panel. They have website is safe. They are looking for malware cases and figuring and getting them sorted for me as well. Daily backups are enabled. I am also getting free email and a free domain as well. I can see my file manager from here, database from here, and WordPress from here. So it is not a WordPress hosting, it's a regular hosting. Even then, it's also WordPress optimized. You can see over here, I can install WordPress from over here. And you can see over here, I can see my plan details over here. I can see my resource usage over here. Everything I can see over here. So in case if I look, I have just even used 5% resource. So I have ample of resources over here. I can see my security over here. I can see my page performance over here. I mean, their panel is so detailed and so easy that anyone can use easily. And I can see my analytics from here as well. I can look around for security, malware scanner, SSL certificate is enabled or not. I can manage my email from over here. I can manage from my domains over here. And in case if I have to migrate my website, I just have to come over here. The website migration process is very easy. Even I did it because I did it. I came from another hosting company to here, and I know it, which is why you can see that my first request was rejected and the second was completed. So you can see over here, and then I can also see for my error pages over here, and then I can see my files here. I can see my database here. And another icons. Okay, now let me show you another thing over here, is that their auto installer. The auto installer comes with, you can install WordPress, WooCommerce, Joomla, and other CMS platform with just a click of a button. So installing here is very easy. So all I have to do, let's say if I have to go for this one, select my name, username, password, and press the next button, and I'm done. So it is also for same. You can, like if I clicked over here, you can see other applications which I want to install. Just click over here, select this one, and this will appear, and you can select any application and you can install with a click of a button, like select over here, and it will get started. So the process of even installing many applications free with just a button is an amazing thing for a hosting company like this. So because, and let me tell you that based on my 2 years of experience, I didn't have to opt for any hosting issues, and I didn't have to ask for this support, even just for, except for one scenario where I shown you the website migration service, where I have to migrate my website, and there I requested them for website migration. Over here you can see over here, and I have shown you guys that as well. So that was the only time when I did it. Now because I've been using it and I recommend it, and in case if you click on the link in the description, definitely I will be paid, plus you will get amazing deals and discounts. So what you have to do, you have to click on the link in the description, then come to web hosting over here, and then you can see the plans from over here. You can see any plans. They offer 3 plans. You can offer any plans. I have told you the difference between all of the plans. Let's say we are going with this plan. Just select the add to cart from over here and use this amazing code to get the best possible discount while buying your hosting from Hostinger. So you can see now it's redirecting. I can see my summary over here. Make sure I'm getting 30 days money back guarantee, weekly backups, SSD storage, everything. 48 months save you the most, you can see over here, but you can offer any plan according to your requirement. If you ask me, I will suggest you to offer the 48 months because it's again saving you the most amount of money, and I recommend you to offer the 48 months plan. And then you can select any plans, and then you can use this amazing coupon code, which even let me log out and even show you as well that the process is very easy. You can see over here, just select the have a coupon code over here and write this coupon code, which you can find in the description of this video, and press the apply button. You can see the price from this is got a further discount. So enjoy this amazing coupon code in case if you plan to buy your hosting from Hostinger. Based on my experience, that is a very good experience so far, and I do not recommend any hosting company easily. And I have seen, based on my conducted interviews, test, and even I'm hosting my own personal blog over there. My experience so far is very good with Hostinger, which is why I am recommending anyone for their personal websites, business websites, e-commerce projects, or any other requirements, or for even for your clients. In case if you are a service provider, I definitely recommend you to go with Hostinger, and make sure to click on the link in the description and use the coupon code to enjoy amazing discounts. Once again, thank you for watching, and bye bye.